This is a quick video on how I install the GPX files onto my Garmin XT2. When I first started, I really struggled with this, but I have a pretty simple kind of workflow that gets it done pretty quickly here, so let's get started. The best way for me that I've found to do this is with this app called Garmin Tread. So I'm going to open up Garmin Tread, and what we're going to do is hit these three lines here on the top and go to Saved. Now this is a list of collections that I've created and I've saved. We're going to unselect all of these for now, and we'll start new and create a new collection. So this new one I'm just going to call Tutorial, if I could spell. Alright, so now we have a new collection called Tutorial. As you can see, there's nothing in here when you select it. So now we're going to hit these three dotted lines here at the top and import our GPX file. Now the best way is to get these files, just save them to your phone and use this Garmin Tread app. That's the best way for me so far. So I got this route coming up that I'm going to do. I'll demonstrate. So I got three files I'm going to load. We'll do day one. It says day one afternoon, so that's loaded. I'm going to load another one. This is day one morning. And again, we want to click the correct collection that it goes into, and I'm going to load one more, and that's going to be this day two here. And that's going to go into there. So now I got three different tracks in here, and if you just have one GPX file, it's just going to be the one, nice and simple. Now each one of these that you can click on and you can edit the color. So if you want this one to be cyan, you can. So now I got three different colors here. So now what I want to do is make sure the Garmin is turned on. So get this turned on. Sometimes it doesn't work right away, but this is already paired to the phone. Should all be set up already. What I want to do is hit this sync button here, and I'll also go to the collections here and make sure the one I want is turned on here. Hit the sync button there. Now if I go to my view maps and then hit this little stack icon, we should have a menu here called collections. We'll click on that and scroll through here, and hopefully if this worked, we have one called Tutorial, and there it is. That's the one we just created. That's check marked, and I'm going to hit save. So now if you go back out, I know exactly where that track is, so I'm going to zoom way out to where that's at. And it should be on my map right here. So there it is. That's the tracks we just loaded. And it works way better than when I first started. I don't know what the deal is with this Garmin setup, and just their workflow isn't the best, but so far the Garmin Tread app syncs really nicely and quickly with this Zumo XT2. I hope this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.